Congratulations on your new Whirlpool dryer. Let's take a look at how to install this.
Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1 3/4 inch pliers, a flat blade screwdriver, a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket wrench, vent clamps, a level, and a utility knife.
Using your utility knife, make a cut along the top of the box so that it comes off like a lid. Next, make a cut at each corner. The edges of the box will fall open. Open the dryer door. Inside, you'll find the feet for the dryer, the registration card, and your use and care and installation guides. Now we have to tip the dryer over. Warning: this is an excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install your washer or dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injuries. Enlist the help of a friend to help you tip the dryer over. Lay the dryer down on the protective packaging. This keeps it from getting any scratches. Remove any additional packaging. Next, screw the dryer feet into place. Enlist the help of a friend to tip the dryer back up. Now it's time to connect the venting.
Warning: fire hazard. Use a heavy metal vent. Do not use a plastic vent. Do not use a metal foil vent. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death or fire.
Start by placing a vent clamp loosely onto your vent exhaust. Place the dryer exhaust on the vent on your dryer. Secure this in place using a screwdriver. Make sure the dryer is in its final resting place and check to see if it's level. If you need to make adjustments, prop the dryer up and make adjustments to the dryer feet. Check again to make sure you're level. Now you're ready to use your new Whirlpool dryer.